introduce Shrimati Surabhi Saxena. Ma'am, Surabhi Saxena is the Vice Principal of Bharati Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram Pratapnagar, Jaipur. She is a dedicated educator, a recipient of the Excellence Seva Award in Education by Pratapnagar Adarsh Vikas Jan Seva Samiti. This honor highlights her contributions in the field of education. She excels in curriculum development, classroom instruction, and school operations supervision. Her commitment to creating a favorable learning environment is evident through her role in motivating students and supporting teachers. I welcome you, ma'am. I invite you to take the session on the topic fostering collaboration and communication skills using AI. Over to you, ma'am.
Namaskar, sir. Namaskar, ma'am. Namaskar, everyone.
Namaskar.
Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my vision about AI and the tools which the teachers can use in performing or enhancing whatever they are teaching in the class, and to make the children attracted towards all these monotonous type of study which we do. So with your kind permission, may I share my screen, sir?
Please, please.
Thank you.
All
sir.
the best.
Thank you, sir. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, fostering collaboration and communication using AI, since we are related to school, so I have added school education to it. Now, with this, I just want to ask, what do you all understand about AI? आप क्या सोचते हैं AI क्या है?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I think that AI is artificial intelligence. It helps. It makes our life easier. It is, it helps us in understanding or in retrieving information in a faster way, and thereby it helps us in saving time.
Right.
And to get more acute facts, possibly.
Wonderful, ma'am. Wonderful way of sharing about anybody else. Any layman, anything you want to share about AI? आपको क्या लगता है AI क्या है? I wanted an interactive session. मैं ही बोलूं, and if you all can switch on your cameras, I can see you people. Sorry, but I want to see. क्लास में अगर बच्चा नहीं होगा ना तो फिर मजा नहीं आता पढ़ाने का. Anybody else? All right. So now coming to the sorry. Anybody
I
else?
feel it's a man-made intelligence that is constantly evolving, and and we can easily adapt to it, and it makes our work a lot more easier.
Right.
That's
Thank you
artificial
so much, ma'am.
intelligence.
Thank you for helping me. Now here, what intelligence, as we all know, is what this brain thinks, right? The capacity to learn and solve problems is intelligence. We all know this. Now, if I come to artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence by machines. Now, what all things can be done by it? It can solve problems. It can act rationally. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे अभी सोफिया को अगर आप देखते होंगे रोबोट, कभी देखिएगा गूगल पे जाके सर्च करिए, तो सोफिया आपकी तरह फेस पे एक्सप्रेशंस ले आती है रैशनली, मतलब उसकी आंखें भी चलेंगी, उसके आप सैड होंगे तो वो सैड हो जाएगी, उसी तरह से आपसे बात करेगी. एबिलिटी टू एक्ट लाइक ह्यूमंस इज दिस, दे आर डेवलपिंग इट मोर एंड मोर. अभी नहीं उतना पहुंचा है, वी हैवंट रीच टू दैट पिनाकल येट. इट्स एआई इज इन इट्स फॉस्टरिंग, अभी चल स्टार्ट ही हुआ है डेवलपमेंट में. What are the central principles which include AI? That is reasoning, very important. Knowledge, किसी चीज के रीजन के साथ नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. Then you plan. हम भी अपनी कोई भी काम करने से पहले क्यों करना है सोचते हैं, और फिर प्लानिंग भी तो करते हैं, कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्या होगा, क्या कुछ कुछ भी. इफ वी ऑल आर लेडीज और इफ जेंट्स आर आल्सो देयर, स्कूल आने से पहले हम सोचते हैं अभी पहले ये फिर ये फिर ये, स्कूल पहुंचने के बाद ये क्लास है आज ये पढ़ाएंगे. सो वी ऑल प्लान, वी कम्युनिकेट. तो ये सब चीजें एआई में डाली जा रही है. लर्निंग, कम्युनिकेशन, देन परसेप्शन, द एबिलिटी टू मूव, मैनिपुलेट थिंग्स. It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. पीछे प्रोग्रामिंग ही है, adaptability बहुत ज्यादा है. Now, if I talk about AI, it plays a very, very significant role in communication. Let's see how. Now, when I talk about personalized learning, हम बच्चों के संग कर सकते हैं personalized learning. I'll show you one app and you all will use it with me. पहली टेक्नोलॉजी जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं, that is smart learning tools, adaptive learning platform. What is adaptive learning? It's a data driven. डेटा भी डालते हैं कंप्यूटर के अंदर, या जब हम एआई एक टूल बना रहे हैं उसके अंदर डेटा डाला जाता है, कुछ टेलर्ड एक्सपीरियंसेस डाले जाते हैं, और फिर बाद में वो टूल अपने आप को अडेप्ट करने लगता है डिफरेंट चेंजेस विच आर कमिंग टू इट. तो अडेप्टिव टूल्स हैं. इंटेलिजेंट ट्यूटरिंग क्या होती है? इंटेलिजेंट ट्यूटरिंग मीन्स इट फॉर चिल्ड्रन. आफ्टर स्कूल, यू आर इन स्कूल, we are connected to them, but कई बार ऐसा था, we are also busy, we also have families, so we can provide students with certain tools which they can use to solve their problems which they face, which they find it is difficult, it is hard, they cannot do it. And the tool which I'll show you, आप शायद देख के आपको भी मजा आएगा, उसमें काम करके भी मजा आएगा. Then AI helpers, the we can create our own chatbots. बने बनाए, आपको कुछ नहीं करना, अपना एक इमेज वहां डाल देना है. That too is made. You choose, pick one of the image from there, and you can become a visual assistant, a smart robot to the children. You can put your topic over there, you put your data over there, children will start asking you, and they are thinking they're asking you, but actually they are asking the AI tool robot. Similarly, there are certain, somewhere like some of the students don't understand thorough English or thorough, if I have teachers here from Kolkata, I guess, so there your children might be very comfortable in Bengali. So if they want to convert whatever you have taught and they want to learn, they can use NLP, natural language processor. What it does, it converts easily, it converts. And this so we are also using. Has anybody used NLP? Natural, आप बात करके अपनी बात को क्या आप मोबाइल में टाइप करते हैं बोल के, स्पीच से? Anybody? Do you do it? कभी कोई मैसेज टाइप किया है सिर्फ बोल के, या कुछ सर्च गूगल पे किया है सिर्फ बोल के? I guess many of you have
Yes, ma'am.
done
Yes.
na? So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
again, this is an
Yes.
NLP. You're using a tool to convert your speech to text, right? Then collab. What you can do is you can group different projects. Group not only with children, teachers themselves can make a group, make a project, do analysis on it, and analyze it, and then share it with children. आप खुद अपना ही ग्रुप बना के ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं through these tools, and you can share it with children afterwards. One of you can create a lesson plan and share it with other teachers. You will not create a lesson plan. You will just give a topic to that tool, AI tool, and it will create. Then you can collaborate. You can you can communicate with your teachers. You can change things, and you can create your own lesson plan. Feedbacks, articles, videos, even you can generate images. And those images, teachers, mind you, you'll not find on any database because they are being generated then and there. They are not being generated by any database, or it's not been saved into any database as it was done earlier. आप गूगल पे जब काम करते थे, पहले की बात मैं करती हूँ, when AI was not there, what Google was doing, there was a database. Google के servers पे databases थे. It is connected to different databases, and from there, whatever you are searching, it comes in front of you. But now it will not. If you use AI tool, they are not using anything. They are not using anything. They are using their own intelligence, and that too generative, adaptive. By supervised and by unsupervised learning, these tools starts learning. एक बहुत आप लोगों ने देखा हो कि नहीं, I don't have that picture right now over here. एक human being is working on reels and a robot is learning, reading. So they're learning. So we have to adapt ourselves also to these AI tools. Sometimes many of my children, students ask me, ma'am, jobs चली जाएंगी AI आ गया है तो? I said, nahi, jobs nahi jayengi. Different types of jobs will get created. I guess Sir will identify this. If that time when computer had come, computers were launched and Rajiv Gandhi had brought computers, there was a huge strike done by SBI people, banking people. अब हमारी jobs, नौकरियां चली जाएंगी, कंप्यूटर आ गया है. But it happened vice versa. More jobs were created due to computers. Only we have to enhance, and this is what AI does. It enhances its intelligence. Now, this is the tool which we'll work upon. आप सबको करना है. This is schoolai.com. It's a free software, AI soft tool. Now, this platform uses AI to enhance educational experiences, focuses on personalized, interactive, efficient, and it is very much efficient for teachers, students, and administrators, everyone. Now, what I'll switch my window now. I'll stop sharing and then again I'll share my screen. Meanwhile, if you all can open schoolai.com. If you all can open, and I will give you certain tasks to do it, if you can do with me. I'll again share my window with a different screen.
The technical issue is
This is how I guess your window would be showing you. This is what you might be getting. Am I correct? If you all have opened. Are you there, teachers? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am,
you
you are
are.
audible.
Have you all opened the schoolai.com?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, if you can see, there is a button over here, free for teachers. Please click on this button. It might be asking for a email ID. You provide that email ID, and after that, you'll get your launchpad, that is this dashboard in front of you as have you got it? Have you got it, teachers? All right. So if if you can see this, it has got launchpad, spaces, tools, and assistants. Let me start with tools. Now here tools are there, and see lot of tools you can see. Lesson plan, MCQs, rubrics, worksheet, build your own customized document. You can make jokes. You can create story word problems, text leveler, time-based activities, IEP goals, IEP, you can create individualized education programs from here, class newsletters, syllabus, and many, many more things are available. Course outline, tasks, many things. Now, let's use one of it and create a lesson plan for all of us. So click on generate. Select any grade which you are teaching, any of it. Then type the topic on which you want the lesson plan to be built upon. I'm writing, I have taken 6th grade. I'm writing water cycle. I'm writing focus on evaporation. Anybody else who can share the window and show me if you are doing something? If you can share your window and any topic you can create, and please show it to everybody. How can you create here a lesson plan? As you'll move down, I've clicked on generate. See, it has created the water cycle, evaporation and condensation, science 15-minute duration, who has created it, school, what is the learning objectives, material needed, lesson plan, instructions, activity, if any, and then the conclusion is given. Again, extensions, many things will come to you over here. Now, mind you, this is being done by it right here. It is not copying it from any database. So this way you can create your own lesson plan over here. Has anyone created any lesson plan? Can I see anybody's lesson plan? And after creating, you can export it in the form of PDF or Google Doc. Anyways, you can save it. Anyone can show me if you have created any lesson plan? आप share करिए please. Nobody? Nobody
Still trying to
registered, I
sign
guess.
up, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, didn't get you. Sorry.
Still creating my account there. So haven't been able to.
It's acha.
It is asking for sign up for Subhina.
It will just
I have
take an email ID. It will just take
I,
your email ID and it will create nothing
okay, ma'am.
else.
Okay.
A little bit of your name, your school name. Here, what
Okay.
mine
No, ma'am, it is asking about the school profile also, role.
don't. It's optional. It's optional. Don't do it. It's okay.
Okay.
Just write the basic things and okay, and you can. If you all are ready, you can raise your thumbs that you are ready and you are at the launchpad. I'll again show you what I have done. Are we on the same page, teachers? Because this tool will help you anyways, anytime.
Subhina, ma'am, it is asking to select standards. Standards are also there.
Don't do it. It's not necessary, ma'am. Just click on generate.
Okay.
When I was doing it, I showed you the same thing. When I am generating the lesson plan, grade आपने दे दिया, topic दे दिया, additional details if you want you can give, and then when you'll move down, a button will come generate.
Okay, ma'am.
You generate it.
Namaste, ma'am. I've been able to create one. I'm using it on my mobile itself, not on the laptop, and I've been able to create one. If you want, I can share it.
Yeah. Please share it. Please, ma'am. Please share it. I'll stop sharing. Ma'am, please share it.
Ma'am, it says that I can't share while someone else is
Acha.
sharing.
Okay, wait. I'll stop sharing. You share it now.
Ma'am, what option do I have to select if I want to share?
Ma'am, share पे click करिए. There's a button share coming.
When I'm clicking on share, it gives me multiple options.
Yes.
Microsoft OneDrive, SharePoint, Google Drive.
Your screen. Can you see your screen? आपकी
Okay.
मोबाइल स्क्रीन को करके शेयर पे क्लिक कर दीजिए.
Ma'am, should I share?
हाँ, anyone. If anyone can share with me. I want to just see. Isn't it easy? I just wanted to ask this.
Can you see my screen, ma'am?
No. Sure. Shalini Maurya has shared. Shalini, we can see your mobile screen. Yes, yes. Good. So see how easy it becomes to create a lesson plan. Isn't it, teachers? Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Shalini.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shalini, ma'am. I guess it will help. Now, again, now coming to AI again, this tool which you people are using, this tool, again, I'm saying it is generative. It is not taking anything from a database. It is creating by its own sense. It's relating to things and creating. Now, I'm again sharing my screen. Please click again on the launchpad, if you can see. In this tool, launchpad is the main dashboard where you'll come back. It's here. So there are, I showed you just one tool, that is lesson plan. You can create, you can see I have already created 2 multiple choice question documents. You can create rubric. If you are conducting any activity in the class, you create a rubric from here. Just give a gist of it to it and it will create. You can create worksheets. Many things can be created. Now, coming to these spaces, when you come to this spaces thing, or this is, you can create your own robots, chatbots, I should say, not robots, chatbots. How? After coming down, see, these are different subject teachers. You can select yourself. See all pay file, click. So many subject tutors will come. You can select yourself in it. Any you like, you can check, take, whatever. For example, if I go for arts and humanities, dance, music, anything. So I have taken this RT. Now, what does it do? It's a friendly AI tutor specializing in arts and humanities from KG to class 12 students. RT helps with understanding and exploring various topics, including history, literature, visual arts, and more. Now, what you can do is, you can give your, here, if you are having international dance day, and specifically you want to learn specific dance form, you take as Kathak, right? And then you can move down. Again, you want to give more specific instructions, you can give here. And when you click on launch, it will provide you with this. This is a link, and you can copy this link. I'm copying this on the chat, in our chat, and I'm sharing it with you. Teachers, when you click on this, you need not to log in. Nothing has to be done. I have opened it on my mobile also, so let me do it. If you click on this, you'll find it will ask you to give your name. I gave my name as Surabhi, and then I've joined. Now here you can ask questions about teachers you have joined. I can see you. Can you see yourself on the screen? Teachers, can you see yourself on the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You all are visible to me. This way your children would be visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Up, where there, if you can see Eric over there, this RT over there. You can ask questions to RT about Kathak, about any dance form you want to ask. Please ask, it will answer. हम interactive इसीलिए हैं. Please check. And as a teacher, you can view the chats here. जो भी question पूछेगा, I can view the chats. Who has created this link? The person can view the chats here on this screen of School AI. वो घर पे कभी भी पूछ सकता है बच्चा, anytime with that link. Now this can be anything. You have taught something. You want the child to rehearse on it, do more practice. Board exams are coming. आपने 2-4 questions दिए. Now the child is working on it. You can create your own assistant tutor and send to children instead of they calling you every time and asking. They can chat with this RT and this RT will start providing them answers. Isn't it easy, teachers? I can view anybody's, teacher can view anybody's chat anytime. You can go, you can see, you can check here. So you all have clicked on it, and if you are asking something, this Rishi is just getting started. Now if I can view your chat. See, Kathak is originated from which country? He has asked this question to RT, and RT said Kathak originated in India. It is a classical dance form that holds a rich culture heritage. If you would like to learn more about Kathak, you can feel free to ask. And this way the child can ask any type, they can explore. Again, if I'll go in on the launch pad and I'll move down, there are these are the sessions created by me. If you click on spaces, there are certain spaces already created. They are already the tutors. For example, if I click on this, history comes to life, and somebody wants to know about George Washington. Click on this and start asking. The chat will start. You can again launch here. You can create. Again, if you launch here, you'll again get a link. Share it with your children. They'll start doing their work by themselves. See, national credit policy, which is coming from next session onwards, this will help you over here. These things, you can keep them as evidences, that these chats can be kept as evidences that yes, the child has done this at home also. If you all know about credit policy, this thing will also help you. And they have already created chatbots tutors over here, और आप ये assistants पे click करके यहाँ से भी बात कर सकते हैं. Am I clear about this app, teachers? And
Yes, ma'am.
the best thing about this app is it is not asking for any money. No dollars asked from us. You can use it. You can share it with your children, whatever things you do over here. Yes, there is this unlock AI at your school. This is unlimited things which are here, which if you want to purchase, you can. But if we don't, then this is enough for us what we are doing. I'll again show you one more thing. First, let me share my PowerPoint screen with you. Did this. There are certain other apps available also. like this. This is again a very beautiful app, tinywow.com. Now this tinywow.com very I have already opened it for you people. This will take a lot of time. This is this tiny wow. Now, sometimes, somewhere it happens that you want to edit a PDF, you want to convert PDF to Word, JPG to PDF. This helps you. And a very beautiful thing which I found over here is in the image section, you have AI image generator. You can create your own images which you'll not find anywhere else. Any teacher, if you can suggest me an image, like for example, yesterday I created an image. There was a fight between this Jerry Mouse and Captain AI. So it created an image for me. You can also suggest, and I can type here and we can see. Anybody, any suggestion? If you want to write in the chat box, you write, I'll see. Anything anybody wants to. History teachers, English teachers, maths teachers. Here, I guess English teachers are there, but if I can get something from you, I want to create an image over here. There are already images here. Astronaut looking family from space. Okay. Astronaut looking family from space. Let me see. It will take some time because it is generating. Somebody else has also. You want to create an alien, Soma ma'am? All right, I'll create an alien for you. It will take some time because it is generating. Let's see. Teachers, what do you think?
It's really wow.
And you'll not find this image anywhere. You search on Google, you'll not find it has been generated right away, right here. And Soma ma'am wanted me to create an alien. Okay.
Ma'am, can I ask one thing? Ma'am,
Yes.
this is Dimki Banerjee. Ma'am,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
these images, we can use these images anywhere? Are they
Yeah.
copyright free?
Yes,
Or
ma'am,
AI
they
going
are.
to detect?
They are copyright free.
Okay, thank you.
Because nobody has its copyright there. It is being generated by your thought process right away over here.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Right? It doesn't come into plagiarism, no copyright, nothing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right? Other things are also there. Soma ma'am, do I create an alien for you? You want me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll do it. Let's see. Concept of alien, how does it take it? Why it is taking so much time? Because it is processing and generating whatever it has from its learning, it is generating. Oh my God. I'm very sorry, ma'am, but whatever. This is what it has created. So, ma'am, are you happy? Can we create an image that illustrates the concept of greater than? Why not, ma'am? It depends on you what you write and how much it will understand. This is again generative. Again, again, I'm saying the same thing. So you can create yourself, try and try again and again. You see, it's written generate more. So when I click on this, it will start generating thinking more. So it might happen. Here are videos also which you can create, video images, you can write, even you can create different borders, images and all this. One more, let me go back to my PowerPoint presentation. This is Mizo app. Again, Mizo is like AI only. You all can look into it and see. Now here, there are automatic administrative tools also, which helps in creating. See, if you want to create timetables and schedules for your children, for some students whom you want, so these are different I have written some applications, put here some application motion, Clara, clockwise, but somewhere or at some point of time they'll start asking for money from you. So we can use only a little bit of it. Grading and assessment education co-pilot is there. Again, after some time, it will start asking for money. Now this I want to show you. I guess if there is a science teacher, it will help that science teacher. There are visual interactive learning environments available. केमिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिकल आप केम कलेक्टिव से यही कर पाएंगे. I'll show you how. I don't know much about it, but then also let me share. I have already opened this window for you all. Here you will come to Chem. As you'll click on chemcollective.org, you'll come over here. There are several topics given over here. If I'll click on, say, equilibrium or acid-base chemistry, see, it will start giving you this strong acid and base problem. If you click on this, see, it will ask you visual lab आ गया आपके पास. Solutions आप अपना बता दीजिए क्या solutions आपको लेने हैं. Glassware क्या लेना है. Tools if you want any. So this will, here it will come on the workbench, and here it will show. It's very, for physics teachers, chemistry teachers, biology teachers, you hands-on you can show them. Even you can tell children, go there and see if they have not attended your class and you want to show them this thing. Ask them to go there and they can see, they can do it by themselves. You need not to give them glassware or anything. At home also they can do all these things. Pipette, burette, strong acid, bases, everything is available over here. Indicators are there, conjugate bases are there, and so forth. See, I don't know, so I'm not doing anything over here. But if any science teacher is there and want to do it, can do it by themselves and show it to your children even. One more thing which comes to my mind, whatever I can share in this limited time period, I'll share with you, teachers. Here, quilt bot is a very interesting, bot is there. Again, quillbot.com. It has, see, one of you teachers were asking me about the copyright issue. See, it has got paraphraser, it has got grammar check, it has got AI detector. If somebody has, somebody say, if you research paper or any document a child is giving you, created, you can put the document over here, click on this AI detector and it will tell you कितना % AI से copy किया है, कितना खुद लिखा है. It will automatically tell you. Let me see. And here I've opened this one expert excerpt. I'm copying this paragraph, Bhagavad Gita. I'm pasting it over here. See, it will start checking. धीरे धीरे आपको यहाँ साइड में बताता जाएगा कितना कहाँ क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं कितने. This is grammar check, and if I go for AI detector, I paste again this thing and analyze text. See, it's saying 100% human written. This has been written by a human being, so it is showing. AI ने ये नहीं लिखा है ये. That is why, see, it's right. It's written over here. Sorry. Somebody has switched on their mics. Please, can you mute yourself? You can check for plagiarism even. Then translator. Now this translator, as I was telling you, I'm putting this in English and I'm changing the language to Hindi over here. And this Bhagavad Gita paragraph will turn into Hindi. And proper Bhagavad Gita Hindu Dharma ka pavitra granth hai. It's not using a very colloquial language. It's using a very good proper language with proper synonyms and antonyms over here. So this is again, I found Quillbot also very useful for teachers. Citation in 12th class, teachers have to write citations. So they can put here citations and they'll get accurate citations free from here. Now, after this, these are again, we can support, as I told you right away, we can support the children with diverse learning needs also. There are certain available, but most of them are very costly. Many of the tools are available, AI tools, but they are costly. Some of them like DeepL Translator, Google Translate, you all know, Chat GPT, we can use these for these children also. There are certain softwares available for the children with special or diverse needs also. Now, obviously, AI enhances collaboration. I felt happy when teachers were asking me to create their different images, generate their different images according to their thoughts. Teachers, you can create small strips, story strips. You can create in maths. There are certain tools. I'll be sharing a link. You can copy that link with you. This is the link. I am copying it and I'll share it in the chat box right away. From my PPT, I'll copy. This person, Mr. Eric Kurtz, he has created a document where I have put the link for you people to see. where he has mentioned several softwares which could be image tools, which could be even music, creating music, different notes you can create by it. So I've shared this. You all can go through this link, and I guess that will be an help for you all. A small short clipping video I want to share with you all. Because we are important, we teachers are very important. So let me share this.
When I was in middle school, a teacher brought us all to the front of the class and held out this giant golden disc. "This is the future of education," he said. "Someday you'll be able to pick up one of these laser discs, take it to a pod with a TV, and learn exactly what you need to learn. You won't even need teachers. This will change learning forever." Well, it did not change learning forever. And years later, I saw the same argument reemerge with the rise of the internet and search engines. We could just ask Jeeves and he'd answer our questions. Rest in peace, Jeeves. Later, it was one-to-one devices and then leveled reading programs for intervention, and now it's the promise of personalized learning with generative AI. Students will sit in front of a computer with an AI tutor and receive the exact instruction they need without the guidance of a teacher. But this isn't actually personalized learning. This is adaptive learning. Here's the difference. Adaptive learning is algorithm-driven. Students progress through preset curriculum, and the AI makes adjustments to the skill levels of the students as they get answers correct or incorrect. However, personalized learning is human-driven. While it might include technology, the core idea is the person. In terms of learning tasks, adaptive learning tends to be more programmed as students work on targeted standards using digital worksheets. Meanwhile, personalized learning tends to be more authentic. Students engage in real-world problem solving with opportunities to do creative work. Adaptive learning is individualized, with students working alone at a computer. The work is at their level and follows their pace. By contrast, personalized learning is more collaborative, with a focus on interdependent work. Adaptive learning uses a singular assessment approach. It's fast and efficient. Students get immediate feedback, and the algorithm uses this assessment data to adjust the next learning task. However, personalized learning incorporates varied assessment practices. Students engage in reflections and assessment and teacher assessments, all with the goal of helping them improve their mastery of the standards. Adaptive learning is efficient, with specific adjustments happening in the moment. Meanwhile, personalized learning is often messy. Even with structures and scaffolds, it tends to be a little less predictable. Adaptive learning is built for student engagement. Students might get choices, but they have no real voice in the process. The system is more closed. By contrast, personalized learning focuses on learner agency. It moves beyond engagement into empowerment. Instead of simply making decisions, students actually forge their own path and they own the process. Now, both approaches have their place. Adaptive learning can work great for quick, efficient skill practice, but personalized learning works better with bigger concepts, larger projects, and applied learning. Moreover, both approaches can make use of AI. In adaptive learning, AI fuels the learning process, but in personalized learning, AI informs the process. In other words, personalized learning remains at its core human-driven. In personalized learning, students might use a chatbot to answer specific questions as they engage in inquiry and research. Small groups might use AI to get feedback on their work. Teachers might use generative AI to help develop rubrics or create leveled readers of various topics. But the key thing is that the human remains at the center of personalized learning. See, AI cannot and will not replace teachers because teaching is an inherently human endeavor built on collaboration and relationships. It incorporates curiosity and creativity. It includes empathy and understanding. And those are the things that teachers do every single day.
Teachers, any question, answers you want to ask? Anybody? Then thank you so much. I think it will make a difference. Thank you so very much.